The wait is over. We are finally happy to announce that the Afros and More Hair Restoration and Hair Rejuvenation Center is now open and currently taking in clients dealing with the onset of hair loss and less advanced stage cases of alopecia. We also do hair rejuvenation for those needing a quick boost in your overall hair health and hair growth. My name's Maria Kasire. I am your hair loss practitioner, fully trained and certified in hair loss management and restoration from the best on the global scale in the industry. Together with our Afros and More Hair Restoration and Rejuvenation Center team, we are committed to your journey to hair restoration. I have, over the years, picked a keen interest in understanding hair loss and helping hair loss sufferers. In the course of hair care management here at Afros and More, we could not help but noticed with concern a good number of clients dealing with hair loss and receding hairlines. This definitely prompted a dive into what more we can do to help. And here we are. With our integrated and holistic hair care management approach of plant-based science, Ayurveda remedies, current research, and proven technology, the years of experience and knowledge in health hair care management, and our relentless search of what is currently out there through continued education in trainings and certifications, topping it with our commitment to your hair restoration journey, I am more optimistic than ever before that a great percentage of hair loss can be tackled if caught early or before it becomes permanent. Our promise is that we are committed to your success, managing your expectations, and by your side through it all. Your commitment is all we require. Do not wait until it's too late, because there is such a thing as permanent hair loss. That hurts us more to have to say to you. Over here, we are building a relationship with you, and to us, it is whatever it takes to get you the help that you need. So, we are working closely with other service providers in the industry that do complement our services to ensure that you are getting the best of what is available. We take your hair loss seriously, so to us, it's all hands on deck. Our care packages are very friendly given the global scale of hair loss treatments. Because we understand the urgency of hair loss, our desire is that you can begin your restoration journey immediately. And due to the current economical situation or constraints, for a limited time, we are offering a reasonable payment plan to those signing up within the first month of opening. We hope you can consider and take advantage of this offer. We are open 6 days a week and welcome you all to visit. We are located at Mukwana Court on level 5. Feel free to ask for more information on consultation, our services, our products, and our packages. So, we look forward to be a part of your hair restoration journey here at the Afros and More Hair Restoration and Rejuvenation Center.